Hi, I'm OG. I spent a number of years struggling with weight issues and have tried more diets, exercise plans, pills, and programs than anyone I know. It seemed like regardless of what I did, my weight would always come back. I might lose a few pounds and get really excited, but I was usually left being disappointed when the weight would come back, and oftentimes I would gain even more weight than where I had started. All of this left me demotivated, discouraged, and still overweight. Well, as you can see, I have now been able to get my weight issues under control. I am feeling great, looking great, and it has very literally changed every aspect of my life. I am the person that I want to be now. I'm doing this video as an opportunity to share some of the things that I've learned along the way with other women. Because let's face it, after 10 years of dieting without it working and then finally getting on the right track, I can certainly say I've learned a thing or two. The most important thing to always be taking into consideration is your health and safety. No matter how skinny you are, if you sacrifice your health to get there, you will never really achieve the results that you want. You might get temporary results, but they won't last, and you will be left gaining the weight back and feeling horrible. The goal is to be a happy and healthy person, so make sure you keep that in mind. The second biggest challenge I was always faced with was motivation. If this is something you struggle with, get strength in knowing that you are not alone. But if you're going to be successful at weight loss, you need to keep yourself motivated at all times. A trick that helped me was that I took a picture of myself at my heaviest. I carried that picture around with me everywhere, and anytime I felt like eating a fattening food, I'd look at that picture and I'd ask myself this question: is this what I want to look like forever? I still keep that photo with me now as a reminder. When it's low motivation to exercise, I'd use a similar tactic. I also carried a photo around of Gwyneth Paltrow in a bikini. No, I'm not a weirdo. Why did I do this? Because I think she's gorgeous and I greatly admire her body. By looking at this picture, I was able to motivate myself to exercise because it reminded me of what I was working towards. Not that I'll ever look like Gwyneth Paltrow, but you get the idea. I hope that a few of these tips have helped you, and I encourage you to visit the link below in the description to start losing weight today. You won't be disappointed.